Greetings YouTube, Alain Ali package from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, right here in Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. And in this morning's video short YouTube, I'm going to give you guys a quick peek at the sweet corn, sugar baby watermelons, crimson watermelons, and the salad cucumbers that we're currently growing down at the flat in our backyard food course. Take a look at this YouTube. Bam! Our sweet corn has really taken off during the past couple of weeks back here in our backyard garden extended grow area at the flat. So has our sugar baby watermelons, our salad cucumbers, and our crimson watermelons. Just a quick peek at what we currently have growing on down here at the flat in our backyard garden extended grow area. Thanks for watching YouTube.